A while ago I came across something insane, this facade. I'm Namdar and I decided to recreate it in Revit. So stick around and let's see how long it takes. To start, seems like creating the facade. With a component, I first draw a simple reference cube. This helps me define the path for the sweep planes later. Then I use sweep plane command and shape both the start and end profiles into a wave-like form. These lines are just guidelines and I will delete them afterward. Next, I offset the wave shape to match the thickness of the facade wall. I try to make it look as close as possible to the reference image. After that, I create the same shape for the another side of the sweep plane, but with a slight move to the opposite direction. Any extra geometry is cut using a void. Then, at this stage, I use voids to cut these forms out of the wavy wall I created earlier. Since the shapes are similar, I fast forward this part in the video and this is the overall form. I will keep refining it to make it resemble the image even more. There are other ways to model this facade as well. For example, using the mass, where you can even create a parametric form. You can see that in the video popping up here. But in this video, the main focus is on learning how to use a sweep blend tool. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. More tips coming soon.